Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jamyla Noelle back again with another video, and if you're interested in how I accomplish this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off on damp hair to show you guys how many different ways I use Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance Anti-Poof Defining Curl Whip. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you probably know that I love to dry my hair with a blow dryer after it's somewhat damp or wet. But sometimes using a blow dryer can also make your hair a little bit frizzy. But this product defines dry and frizzy hair, so that's why I thought it was probably a good idea to go ahead and start from scratch and show you guys how I built my way up. So getting into the hairstyle, I basically parted from the middle of the opposite eyebrow and just went straight up to make this side part. So as you guys can see, my curls look bomb, and that's because this product has flaxseed, argan oil, shea butter, and mango butter enriched in it. So after I have my primary part completed, I'm basically going to break that down into 4 more parts. So before making each little mini ponytail, I go in with the curl whip just to make sure that it's smooth and I don't have to deal with any type of like little flyaway hairs in my twist. I also chose to go in with this product because it's good for hydration, and I didn't want my parts to look really dry because that would just throw the whole style off. So as you guys can see, especially when I'm making these twists, my hair looks extremely hydrated. So before I finish the look, I just decided to add some jewelry just to spice some things up. I didn't want my hair looking super bland, and I want my parts to be noticeable, so yeah, we just wanted to make our hair look a little spicy. So then I just go in with my little edge brush to make my edges look slick and nice and defined because, you know, we don't want no raggedy edges. And this is the finished look of using nothing but Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance Anti-Poof Defining Curl Whip.